All right, today we have the SUNLU 3D printing filament. This is the most inexpensive filament that you can buy on Amazon that is PLA plus. So this is a little bit more durable than your standard PLA. But yeah, today I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and see how it does with doing 3D printing. This stuff came in at a whopping $13 and some change. Looks like SUNLU puts a little guide in here that you can scan. And then they've got the vacuum sealed spool. And this is 1 kilogram of black PLA plus filament. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and we'll go ahead and toss it on. Cut this bad boy open. Okay, that air hissing out. So first thing we'll do on the V3 SE, we'll go to prepare. Go ahead and scroll down to retract. And we'll go ahead and pull out our old filament. Just got done cleaning the build plate. Did a nice warm wash with a little bit of dish soap. And we'll go ahead and do a re-leveling, do some auto leveling, and then try printing. All right, it says pull out filament. Said confirm. Now we'll go ahead and let's get our spool ready. Let's go ahead and pull out the first little bit. Go ahead and set it up here on the spool. And let's go ahead and do a 45-degree cut. Pointed cut looks pretty good. Now we can go to extrude. So we're going to be putting filament in. It's going to do a little rehoming. And hopefully this filament's going to work out nice. And as you can see, our screen is showing that we need that 45-degree cut. Our temperature on the nozzle is creeping up to 240, and once it's at 240, we'll go ahead and stick some in. We push our filament until it reaches the bottom and hit confirm. Go through the leveling process since we took the build plate off and cleaned it. Got our wire, and this stuff is a lot shinier than I was expecting, so let's do some printing. We got our file here, and as everyone knows, Wula is the garage queen, and she's always in the shop, and my son just loves her. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to print this pretty detailed sculpture of a typical American lab. So let's see how this goes. Got our SD card. Let's go ahead and click the lab. Confirm print. Go ahead and tune this guy. Drop our initial printing speed down to 15. I want a nice base layer, 200 degrees. And then our bed temperature, we're gonna go ahead and crank that up to at least 60. And I'm not going to play with the Z offset just yet. Let's see how it hits on the first line. Hopefully this enhances our printing experience a little bit. Hopefully this stuff does its thing. Here's our first base layer. It's looking pretty good. It's not curling or peeling anywhere. Got our speed at 35 millimeters per second right now. And I think I'm going to go ahead and bump it up another 20 millimeters per second. Let's jump up to 55 and see how it does with that. Making headway with the new filament. Seems to have a nice shine to it. You can see the detail in the lines. And we are on the final stretch of connecting the legs to the body. Still printing at 55 millimeters per second. Nozzle still at 200. And the bed temperature is at 60. Our legs are connected, so I just bumped the speed to 80 millimeters per second. Now it's going to start moving a little quicker and save us a little bit of time. All right, and here is how the new PLA Plus came out. We were able to maintain good adhesion on the build plate the entire time.
And yeah, you can see the bottom of the face was not 100%. I think it was having a hard time because I had reduced the size by, I think, 20%. So there was a little bit, those ears were a little bit of a challenge, but still came out really good. Super excited about that. And the spool, it was feeding the printer pretty good the whole time. It rotated freely without any issues.
All in all, I think this came out really good.